Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. Welcome to virtual learning. In this video today, we will discuss the theory of plate tectonics. So we find different types of rocks. Some are very hard like marble, which has been used for making the Taj Mahal. And some are very soft like the soapstone, which is used in making talcum powder. Now the color of soil varies from one place to the other because soil is formed out of different types of rocks. They are maybe igneous rock, metamorphic rock or sedimentary rocks. Have you ever thought about the causes of these variations? Most of these variations are caused due to difference in rock formations. India is a large landmass formed during different geological periods which has influenced her relief. Besides geological formations, a number of processes such as weathering, erosion, and deposition have created and modified the relief to its present form. Earth scientists have attempted to explain the formation of physical features with the help of some theories based on certain evidences. One such theory is the theory of plate tectonics. According to this theory, the crust, that is the upper part of the earth, has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. Now, the theory of plate tectonics is what brings together continental drift and seafloor spreading. Plates are made of lithosphere topped with oceanic and or continental crust. The plates are moved around the Earth's surface by seafloor spreading. Convection in the mantle drives seafloor spreading. Oceanic crust is created at the mid-ocean ridge. Now the crust move outward from the ridge over time. The crust may eventually sink into the mantle and be destroyed. If the continental sits on the plate with a mid-ocean ridge, the continental will be pushed along. Now the two plates meet at a plate boundary. There are 3 types of plate boundary since there are 3 ways that plates can meet. Plates can move away from each other, they can move towards each other, finally they can slide past each other. So the 3 types of plate boundaries are divergent, convergent and transform. So the first one is divergent boundary. A divergent boundary occurs when 2 tectonic plates move away from each other. As you can also see in the figure, that is, the 2 tectonic plates move away from each other. Along these boundaries, earthquakes are common and magma rises from the Earth's mantle to the surface, solidifying to create new oceanic crust. And the Pacific Ring of Fire is the example of divergent plate boundary. Second is convergent boundary. So in this, when 2 plates come together, it is known as convergent boundary. The impact of the colliding plates can cause the edges of one or both plates to buckle up into a mountain ranges, or one of the plates may bend down into a deep seafloor trench. A chain of volcanoes often form parallel to convergent plate boundaries, and powerful earthquakes are common along these boundaries. At convergent plate boundaries, oceanic crust is often forced down into the mantle where it begins to melt. Magma rises into and through the other plates, solidifying into granite, that the rock that makes up the continent. Third is transform boundary. So when 2 plates sliding past each other forms a transform plate boundary. One of the most famous transform plate boundary occurs at the San Andreas Fault Zone, which extends under water. So so, the movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continents over millions of years. Such movements have also influenced the evolution of the present landform features of India. So, this is the theory of plate tectonics. Thank you and Jai Hind.